Quiet. I'm doing what we call a drum call. And I started already. The drum call. And you got to stand up when you do the drum call. Sometimes we have what we call a drum procession, where we would march in and all the percussion. So when we start, after we get playing, I want to hear the percussion begin. All right? But before we do all of that, we have to remember. Before we do that, we have to remember our great grandfathers and grandmothers. I want you to remember them. I know you don't know who they were. Probably don't have pictures of their faces, but they did exist once upon a time. And the African way is, before we get started, we have to ask the elders. The elders, are you elders? No. Are they elders? Yeah. All right, I gotta ask the elders for their permission to carry on. Do I have your permission to carry on? Do I have your permission to carry on? Do I have your permission to carry on? This is the African way, all right? And so normally we would do a rhythm called lamba. But I'm not going to play lamba right now, we're going to play something else. Everybody's going to play. All right? I'm going to do this real quick, all right? Should be sitting on the edge of the chair. Feet should be on the ground. Feet should be on the ground. You should be on the edge of your chair. Proud to play that drum. This drum here is called the djembe. Say djembe. Djembe. All right, so you might want to bring it up on the internet, but guess what? You have to spell it D-J-I-B-E. That's how it's spelled. All right? Say djembe. So the D must be silent because it says djembe, but it doesn't. So you wonder where that came from, right? Okay, good. 2,000 years ago, it was the women who kept all the rhythms. It was the women that kept those rhythms, always kept the rhythms. 2,000 years ago, this drum, the djembe, showed up, but it wasn't even called that. When it showed up, it brought such happiness and such warmth that they called it the joy. It was called the joy. That's what it was. It brought that with it. And now you're about to get a piece of the joy, the djembe. Hands out. Everybody, this is a wrist exercise. You don't need a drum to do this. You don't need the drum to do the wrist exercise. All right? Now, if you're playing baseball, softball, you use that same wrist to throw the ball. If you were playing football, you would use that same wrist to throw the ball. If you were shooting basketball, you would use those same wrists to shoot the basketball. Am I right? Am I right? There's muscles in those wrists. Now, maybe this is your first time doing this, and so it might hurt a little bit, right? No pain, no gain. Oh no! See? That's what I'm talking about. All right, shake it out. Shake it it out, hands down. This is called eddies. Eddies. But then, attention, 1 inch over the drum. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. Attention. 1 inch over the drum. 1 inch. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. Attention. Relax. Attention. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. Attention. Eddies. The whole thing is that you can't do nothing without discipline. You can't do nothing without discipline. And I say this to the parents, because this is what the problem is. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be? 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 You know, something is better than everyone else. Usually they don't know what they want to be. Parents, ask your children what they want to be, even if they do change their mind. It's okay. Hello? Are we still here? Okay, good. Check it out. Attention! I'm going to use that same wrist exercise. It's like riding a bike. Begin with the right. Right, left, right. We stop on 4. So when I say 1, when that time I hit 2, you should be saying it, because they couldn't hear it. Your mouth all right? Put your feet on the ground. Stay focused. The word is focus, you people. Focus. Attention. Once again, this is called the open tone. We're going to do it one more time. I don't want to do it again.